Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. Okay, today I want to show how to fix the zipper on the skirt. So before you do that, you need a space for the zipper. So on this skirt, I'm fixing this zipper by the side of the skirt. You have to give a gap. Like here, the zipper is 25 centimeters. So from this point of 25 centimeters, I'm going to sew down 2 centimeters. You make sure you iron the 2 centimeters space open. Okay, let's open like this. Then after ironing it open, the next thing you do, make sure you open it still down. Okay, the next step is to fix the zip. You open the zipper, you turn the skirt to the front side. You can do this also on a dress. When you turn it to the front side, you just watch what I'm doing. You place the zip here, because this skirt is going to have a waistband. So what you do, you leave a space of 1 centimeter, like here. This is 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. You leave a seam of 1 centimeter here. Then you place the zip. This end of the zip, not this upper side, but from the teeth here, you place it on the 1 centimeter. You fix with your pins. After this side, you turn it over like this. Corner the second side. You do the same. You leave 1 centimeter here, because you have already done the other side, so automatically you will have 1 centimeter. Now we'll sew it on the machine. Make sure you don't sew on the teeth of the zip. And when you're sewing your zip, make sure you use the correct thread for it, because every zip has color, so you have to use the same color of the zip. You can see this one, it's already done, and then the second side of it. Now we have reached to the zip. We go back, zip it to the back. You can see we finished the sewing. This is the zipper. The next thing we do, we iron it. Iron the second side. Before you do the final stitches, you can just hold it like this. Okay, that is how I do it. I just use my pins to indicate where I will sew it. You can also use your machine foot to indicate where you will sew. So this is the end here. This is how it looks. Okay. You just continue sewing it down. When you get to this end, towards the end, you raise your machine up, you close the zip. Make sure you're careful with the ending here, because some zip can be very dangerous to your needle. So you sew it, you go back, come forward, and open the zip. Continue. So this is the finished look of the zip. You iron it again. Iron it. Now this is the finished look. Just check it. It looks very beautiful. It's well closed. As you can see, this is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe if you're just coming in for the first time. Hit the notification button. Thank you. Bye.